Hi guys, Friction RC here. I haven't been making vids for a while. Haven't been catching up on your YouTube vids for a while. Been a little bit busy. I've been getting my head around racing. Tamiya class racing at my local racing club. I've been doing now full rounds. So every other, like every couple of Sundays, or every other couple of Sundays, there's 2 rounds a day. In between that, I've been getting my TT01 going out and practicing and all that. This was the shell that I was racing on. You're about to see a video of it in action. It is now completely kaput. As you can see, if I do this, you'll see what I mean. The guy who had it before me, when I bought it off him secondhand, had put shoe goo and all that, but it clearly, I don't think he raced it. I have, and it was like a brick. In terms of setup, I didn't know. I just ran it as it was. I thought if I'll get different shocks and put a Tamiya torque tuned motor, because that's what we're allowed for this kind of entry level, try and keep the cost down and all that. I thought that'll be fine. Oh my word, it handled like a, let's just say it didn't handle well at all compared to like what everyone else was having. They tried to do a height test. The gauge literally just flew all the way underneath it. There was that much gap in terms of ride height. The plus point was when I was driving it over the curbs, it didn't really make a difference because it was so high up, unlike the other guys who have these low slung, sleek machines. But yeah, it rolled out to take wide lines in. It was really, because that I was going slow into the corners and out of the corners. And as you will see, we had a lot of crashes, especially me. But since then, I have had some help tuning it, and the guy who helped me is a newbie to our club, but he is very, very knowledgeable in terms of how to set up cars. He's got all the gadgets and gizmos. He's basically weighed the corners. He's taught me about ride height. He's taught me about what kind of shocks to use at the front and the rear, suspension, springs, hard at the front, medium at the rear, sort of thing. So I got a new shell designed up, which I painted. It's a Pagani Zonda shell to replace this. It's going to be a lot more sleeker. And, well, see for yourselves. Here we go. So this is my new race car. It's a Pagani Zonda on the same chassis as the other one. So it's a TT01, but it has been tuned. In the sense tuned, he's done all the setup and everything like that. So it really, really handles brilliantly. So what you're about to see is this car in action. It's the last time I raced it. The shell is too far gone. And that was before this guy, Steve, helped me out with setting up the car. He's put it on the scales. He's done the weight balance. He's done all sorts of stuff to it. So it really does handle brilliantly. It's the same chassis. It's not like I bought a brand new car or anything. Everything is the same. It's just that he's helped me with his rear shocks, the suspension springs, and I've got some extra hard ones. And because this is a Pagani's on the shell, I bought some wider wheel hexes for it, but I'm having problems with the pins that the hexes sit on. But anyway, you'll see the last video of this, and you'll see how bad it is and how bad my driving is. And then you'll see me and another new guy as part of our group of newbies. He's got his one down, and I'm testing my one out, and you'll see how good this looks and feels when you see it around the track. Admittedly, not in a race environment, but it really handles brilliantly. So that explains why I haven't been out and about much looking at your vids or making ones of my own. But hopefully you'll enjoy what you're about to see. So this is Friction RC down at the track. You're running that one for the last time. And the video after that will be of this one, of the last 2 days, testing it and getting my head in, actually getting some laps under my belt. So, yeah, enjoy.
We'll probably watch for the orange and yellow one too. And you're all the way in counting. And so we see how things like of Rob from John on yellow and white Ferrari. And then look as though it's easy to jump on the gate. So that'll be the blue car from the blue and white car. I almost have it. No, when it's gone. Rob, gone. Stephen, Robert, Ian, Stephen, Harry, that's our Stephen Hill, just going past our big white Audi, just about closing up on the white milk, and just putting those out either. And like the traffic, just coming up to the yellow Camaro. Roy, Chevy, yeah.
Apologies.
Is that you, is it?
I don't know, I'm just saying sorry because I'm trying to keep it clean, but man,
Yeah, it's not happening, is it?
I'm trying to get out of people's way as well, but that is also not happening. I should have just gone over the curb and studied it.
Careful on the straight here, careful on the straight. Yeah.
I'm doing a shortcut.
Point turn there. Oh, what a wonder you can actually use Adams. In the hill.
Oh, sorry, it's my fault.
You get careful, slow on the front on the straight here. Just went there to look towards the batteries. So don't forget to come here, we'll have another final go after this one, so you get a second bite of the cherry. So, line here running.
That's it, my steering's done.
So it's all around the front. Fine, that goes with
My steering's buggered. I'm off. Oh, go on with that. Oh!
The finishing order is 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10. Okay, careful drivers. 8.
Sorry,
I don't know
dude.
where my wing. Oh, it's right, mate. I don't know where my wing went.
Probably over Heathrow.
Lost it about 48.
Someone tagged me at the start, spun me round, and that was it. Now my